Hello guys, are you looking foldable adult electric scooter? In this video, I will show you top 5 best foldable lightweight adult electric scooter to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Rycerz ePrime 3 Electric Scooter. Superior performance, a 250-watt motor boasts an 18 mph max speed with a range of up to 15 miles. Foldable and portable, weighing only 24.2 pounds, 11 kilograms, it's the lightest in its class. Designed for easy storage or to hand carry when necessary. Smooth ride, an 8-inch, 200mm, pneumatic front tire provides shock absorption for a smoother, safer ride on uneven terrain. Safety and stability, rear-wheel drive apportions greater weight to the rear, enhancing both drive traction and ease of steering. Lockable, featuring a security lock point for riders to secure the scooter with their own lock. Number 4. Glion Dolly Lightweight Electric Scooter. The Glion Adult Electric Dolly Fold Scooter is a simple, affordable way to glide through the parts of your commute you used to hike, from the distant parking lot or mass transit station directly to your door. Quickly fold the scooter and dolly it through public transit or into your office with a 1-second, foot-activated folding mechanism. Premium 36-volt, 7.8 amp-hour lithium-ion battery with 15-mile range and 3.25 hours charge time. Not a toy, aircraft aluminum frame is designed for daily use by commuters and other adults. Powerful 250-watt, 600-watt peak, DC hub motor with electronic anti-lock maintenance-free brake plus a rear fender press brake. Front tire suspension and honeycomb never flat airless rubber tires. Patented dolly and vertical self-standing feature lets you roll it like a suitcase and stand it vertically out of the way. Twist grip electric hand brake and rear foot brake. Number 3. Gotrax G4 Commuting Electric Scooter. The G4 is part of the new high-performance series of electric scooters by Gotrax. Bigger motors, longer distance, more features, and an all-new body design. Featuring long-distance 36-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery, the G4 holds charge for up to 25 miles, conquering long distances as a worthwhile commuting e-scooter. Reach new speeds. The 350-watt motor provides high torque but maintains a low power consumption, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The G4 supports riders up to 220 pounds. Elevate your commute, ride in comfort with our 10-inch shock-absorbing tires, dual braking system, and the improved rider stability from the new G-Series body design. Perfect city commuting solution. Gotrax G-Series is the result of thinking about the actual needs of commuters. G4 has new and improved features including new digital display, digital lock, improved headlight and taillight, and low noise. Safe riding and enjoy fun. G4 is equipped with dual safety lock system, a combination lock and a digital lock. It's great convenience for commuter to lock your scooter for a few minutes of shopping in the supermarket. Dual brake system. Both EBS brake and disc brake system can keep you safe while daily commuting on the street. Number 2. Hiboy Titan Electric Scooter. Hiboy Titan Off-Road Adult Electric Scooter. Features powerful 800-watt motor and 12.5 amp-hour battery. The electric scooters can reach 25 miles per hour and 25% hill grade, travel up to 28 miles, max load of 286 pounds, 3 ride modes to choose from. Wider 10-inch off-road air tires. Titan Adult Electric Scooter with wider 10-inch pneumatic tires and deeper lines provide perfect anti-seismic and anti-slip performance. It can keep a good riding experience in bad road conditions. More comfortable and safe. Dual disc brakes and shock absorption make Titan more comfortable and safe when riding. And with a wider deck to make you stay balanced on a wide and stable platform. Humanized design. The electric scooter is equipped with a wider and anti-slip stand deck for larger feet support, and a clear LED display shows the mode, speed, battery, distance. Foldable and portable. Easy to fold and portable, it can be easily stored into the trunk of a car. Number 1. Segway Ninebit Max Electric Kick Scooter. Revolutionary upgrade of electric scooters. With a powerful 350-watt motor, Segway Ninebit Max can reach to 18.6 miles per hour, travel up to 40.4 miles and max load of 220 pounds. Our smart battery management system assures the battery safety and extends the battery life. Portable folding design, one-step folding system for easy portability. Segway Ninebit Max electric scooter can be folded with ease in mere 3 seconds. Carry it on public transportation, store it in your car and any destination you desire effortlessly. Safe and comfortable riding, the mechanical and electrical anti-lock braking system ensure braking safety. Front and rear wheel shock absorbers equipped with self-healing 10-inch pneumatic tires provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. Innovative and superior technology, with the LED display, Bluetooth capabilities, cruise control, select riding modes and mobile app connectivity for additional security, firmware updates and more. Built-in charger, only use one cord for fast charging. Quality assurance, Ninebit K Scooter Max by Segway is designed to be the most sturdy and powerful electric scooter. 1 year or 180-day for different parts, please refer to information in product details below. Rear braking style,